Sometimes when I'm with him, everything feels right. The wind, the trees, the silence of nature. It all reminds me of something we often forget. We are not above nature. We are part of it. This earth is not just our home. It's our responsibility. Every tree, every stream, every creature deserves to live, to breathe, to thrive. But today, nature is hurting because of us. It's not too late. We can choose kindness. We can protect what we love. For him, for me, for all of us. Let's be the generation that saves our planet, not the one that says we could have.